What's up, guys? It's going to be a brief Bitcoin update. It's Monday, August 26, 8:06 a.m. We have Bitcoin doing what I had put out in the video last night. Huge signals flashing in crypto now. Sunday market look ahead. If you haven't watched that, watch that. We have filled the gap. So that's what I was expecting and really hoping for, was we filled the gap sooner than later so we can get that out of the way. And that's what we did. If we go to Bitcoin futures right there. So let's go to a 10-minute chart. You can see we had that gap there. We came down, we filled it, and it looks like we're getting a bounce so far. So that's exactly what we were expecting. And now we need to see follow through. We just had a 12-hour candle close. You can see that the body of the candle closed above that 200 moving average as well too, and the 786. So that was our horizontal line of support. And if we go down here, we can see that the momentum on the 12-hour is still pointing up to the upside. So it's looking pretty solid as far as Bitcoin goes. We need to see follow through today and to hold the next 12-hour candle and the daily candle body close above that 63,879 level, ideally 64K. Then looking at a couple macro drivers here. In the middle of the screen, we have the dollar. I don't think I actually covered this on the video yesterday, but this is huge because we have a 4-day prepare to buy soon signal. And if we go to see the last time that the 4-day flashed, it's pretty interesting. And you don't see these type of high time frame signals flash on something like the dollar often. Last time we seen it, August of 2020, and then December of 2020. And that period from August of 2020 to December of 2020 to ultimately May of 2021 was really when we seen cryptos and altcoins especially go crazy, and that was like the blow off top moment. Then if we go back to August of 2017 to then January 2018, this was our period of the bull market before this one. So we had the 2020 bull market, then the 2017 bull market. When we saw that 4-day prepare to buy soon flash in August, the tail end of summer going into the tail end of the year, this was that parabolic moment in Bitcoin and altcoins where they've really started to kick up into high gear to ultimately then put in their blow off tops. So I'll go to that on the Bitcoin chart. You can see here from August of 2020 to ultimately December of 2020, it was that whole period. And then we saw August 2017 to December of 2017, it was that whole blow off top period. So now that we're flashing it in 2024, to me, it looks like we're going into that blow off top period for Bitcoin and then ultimately all the altcoins as well too. So very positive sign right there. And I'm expecting another, a 4-day buy now signal to come in, and then one more 4-day prepare to buy soon. Once we see the second 4-day prepare to buy soon and then buy now, ultimately that's when it's time to get out of the market. That's what I'm doing, not financial advice. So then looking on the right side of the screen, we have the US Russell 2000, and we are breaking back above the 786 here. You can see right now currently, which is at like 2,234. I want to see the daily candle close above that and for us to remain above here to ultimately then go into expansion and hit new all-time highs. Because we have this 786 here, but then we also have the macro 786 from this high down to this low, and we're getting close to pressing up above that as well too. If we can do that, we'll see expansion there, likely in the US NASDAQ 100 and the other indices, and we'll go into a blow off top moment for traditional markets and in tandem crypto as well too. So we have some positive signals there. Looking at the weekly chart, momentum's gearing up as well too. Looking at the pump dump chart for crypto, for altcoins, we go to the daily chart. We have the momentum coming down here, but we need to see that 1-day get through that zero line, and especially the green line, the slower line, get through that zero line. So we're at this moment. Are we going to see a little bounce up and a little correction before going lower in the pump dump chart, which means cryptos will go higher, or are we just ready to send it down further now to ultimately continue this run? So that's what I'm watching. If we do see a bounce, I'm targeting this level for where we'd get rejected. That would mean cryptos would fall a little bit, or at least altcoins. And then once it gets to this level, then they'll continue their rally, or they could just be getting ready to go right now as we speak. Because looking at the 12-hour chart, we do have this trend line coming down like this that we're actually at or getting close to right now. So either we're ready to continue this rally now, or we have one more little correction before then continuing into this blow off top that's incoming here for the rest of this year. So that's going to be it. Let's see if there's any anomalies flashing, any new ones for those higher time frames. Let's go to the 12-hour chart since the 12-hour candle just closed. We have, let's see if there's any new ones. Doesn't look like there's any new ones flashing. So no, not right now. So if you're a Stargate VIP, go to the resources channel in the Discord. It's all the way below all these signals. You go to here, go up a bit, and you have the anomalies only template here. Let's go up. So anomalies supercharged template and anomalies only screener. Make sure you get that template, go to a 12-hour chart, and you'll be able to spot these in real time. Also, we have the anomalies channel in here for smaller time frames, so more of day trading stuff. So you're looking for those, prepare to sell soon. So FET, CI, CTSI for a day trade time frame flashing right now as well too. So that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Link is in the bio for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.